Hey, what's up guys, this is Loma, and today's video is going to be a little bit different. So I'm gonna try and do this thing where I just kind of free flow and just talk about whatever the market is doing or whatever interests me, questions that I get on a daily basis, or whatever you guys care about, like a specific topic or something. Maybe we can just talk about that. But before we get into it, I'm gonna ask you guys to once again subscribe to the channel, like the video, and yeah, comment below anything that you guys want to hear me talk about or things that you think I should be talking about. But yeah, let's get right into it. So this one might be something that I feel like you guys are pretty interested in, but you might not like the answer. And the question is that, what is one thing that's helped you the most as a trader? And I know you guys have asked different variations of that, right? Like, what's one thing that has helped your trading the most? What's one thing that has made you more profitable? Whatever, right? Any variation of that. And my answer for that almost has nothing to do with a specific setup or a algorithm or an indicator or even some type of software or some guru or technique, really. The one thing that has helped me the most is probably just taking care of my health. And I know that sounds weird because I'm sure people are expecting, like, oh yeah dude, you gotta buy the bull flag, like you just buy the dip or whatever. But no, I genuinely believe that making my trading feel good, which is something that I occasionally talk about on my Twitter, it has been one of the biggest and healthiest changes to my life. Not just my trading, but my life. So what do I mean by that? So before all of this, I kind of always just traded whenever the market presented itself, right? When there's something that goes on, maybe I'll stay up until 4 or 5 in the morning to watch a trade. And I mean, I still will occasionally do that, but it has to be, like I said, an occasion. It can't be something that just, on a daily basis. Because how I see the market is this. Trading essentially comes down to making a few quality decisions every day, consistently, right? And I feel like it would be hard to consistently make good quality decisions if I'm tired, if I'm not well rested, if my diet is shit, if I'm not exercising, if I'm not in a good mood, if maybe I'm around bad people and it's stressing me out, or whatever whatever problems you might have in life in general, right? Because I truly believe that trading is such a correlated career to your life, right? It's one of those things that trading is hard because you pretty much have to change your life if you want to be a trader. You can't just clock in and clock out, right? Like if you're a police, or if you're, I don't know, like an accountant, right? You just do your shit, you clock out, you put your fucking badge down, you put your key card down, put your pen down, whatever, and then you clock out for the day. You go home and you do whatever. But as a trader, I don't think you ever stop. And it's very healthy that in a career like that, a career that's so demanding, that you take it upon yourself to kind of, watch out for yourself, right? And that means sleeping better, eating better, working out, doing things that, reduce your stress, whether that's hanging out with friends, being with family, if you have kids, maybe, spending time with your kids. Things like that. And I think that makes a world of difference in your trading because it affects your emotional control, it affects how you make decisions, it affects your mood, right? And trading is a very emotional game, even though it's done virtually and it's on an exchange and you don't really see anybody, nobody's really talking to you, but it's a very emotional game. And I also feel like people don't realize it, like there's always this culture of, okay, well, I'll sleep when I'm fucking dead, or like sleep is for the weak or whatever. And I feel like that's self-sabotaging, you know, because look, if me and you are of equal skill, we know the exact same thing technically, right? As in, our technical analysis is exactly the same. I guarantee you that if you sleep 3 hours, you're having fights with your friends or family, girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever, you're not exercising, you're eating fucking McDonald's every day, right? And I'm sleeping 8 hours, I'm eating a clean diet, I'm working out, I'm spending time with my family, my friends. I guarantee you I'm gonna outtrade you. Despite us being the same level traders, I guarantee you that I will out execute you and I will outperform you, especially in the long run. In the short term, maybe it stays pretty similar, maybe you even, you know, make more in the short term. But in the long term, I guarantee you, given those circumstances, I will outperform you. So that's something to keep in mind, right? Take care of yourself, whether that's physically, mentally, you know. I think you guys know yourselves better than I do, so I'm not even gonna comment on that. But yeah, so that would be my biggest tip to a lot of traders, whether it's beginners, advanced, somewhere in the middle. But yeah, like, take care of yourselves and be honest with yourself. Like, I feel like people are always like, no, I'm not that tired, you know. And it's very easy because this game is so addicting, right? You love that dopamine, you love making a good trade, you'll stay up, you'll check your phone constantly throughout the night, you'll wake up in the morning, the first thing you'll do is you'll fucking turn the phone on, flash a light in your face, okay? But it's good to remember that you need a balance. Like, this game is efficient. If you're of poor mental and physical, it will fucking kill you. Like, this shit will just take your money blind. If you guys are just tired and you're not, you know, operating at 100%, you're gonna lose your edge, especially in the long term. Because there have been so many times where I know what I'm doing, but I'm so tired that I mis-execute it, right? Or I do something completely stupid that I know better. Like, why did I enter that? Like, I knew that was resistance, like I have it marked out. Why the fuck did I play that? Or like, why didn't I buy support? Because, you know, I clearly marked it out. I don't know why I didn't do it. And a lot of it boils down to, you know, like, you're tired, you missed it, or, you know, you forgot. And yeah, so take care of you guys. I'll try to do more of these videos. We're gonna keep them pretty short, just straight to the point like this, kind of just free flow, one take. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this is useful somehow, some way. If it is, subscribe, like the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.